Kamusta. Today we're making viral Filipino recipes. Hey, wait! My stomach's rumbling.
Garlic, garlic.
Oh my god!
Don't forget to thumb this video. Adobo is probably the most popular Filipino dish, so we gotta try it.
Here is my recipe for pork adobo, arguably considered as the Philippines' national dish. I like using pork belly for adobo, so cut these into about 2-inch chunks and fry them on all sides to develop a nice sear. Then add in bay leaves, crushed garlic, whole black peppercorns, and brown sugar. Letting the aromatics toast and allowing the sugar to caramelize really helps to develop layers of flavor to your adobo. Finally, pour in soy sauce, vinegar, and water and let this simmer for at least 45 minutes. Once finished, you'll want to bring this to a boil and reduce the liquid into a sticky, thick sauce. Serve immediately or let it sleep in your fridge overnight.
Welcome back to the kitchen. Your favorite girlies are looking extra young today. We are very youthful, you know. It's because I didn't wash my hair, so I had to like do something with it. For our adobo, we need some pork belly, which I've already chopped up, and I've peeled a lot of garlic. Okay, we're not using all of those. Let's just grab like a handful. I kind of look like crazy ex-girlfriend vibes right now.
Who you texting?
Who you been texting, huh? Can I see your phone? I'm gonna smoosh up the garlic. Not smoosh, smash them.
Oh my god.
It's actually kind of therapeutic. Releasing that anger. Hey, wait, yeah! Whoa. What's really good about this is like you don't have to marinate this meat overnight. You just cook it. So let's cook it. Ooh, come over on this side of the kitchen. First things first, we need to sear our pork belly.
You know when to get something, so I'm in charge here. Welcome to my very part-time cooking show. Ooh, the oil's so splattery now. Ah, oh my god, so much oil. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, why should leave me alone?
Okay. Oh, look at that. It's all like nice and seared. Now we add in bay leaves. Ooh,
We lost one.
We lost one. In goes our garlic, peppercorn, whole peppercorn. Let's add in our sugar. Let that sugar caramelize. Now I'm gonna add in soy sauce, vinegar, and water. Now we're gonna cook that and let it simmer for 45 minutes. Why does it seem so long? Ooh. Okay, we've got some color and it's reduced, but we can reduce it a little bit more. Yeah, I think we'll take the lid off and then just let it reduce a little bit more and then we're good. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, Lila, try.
Is it yummy?
Oh, she's doing a dance.
Yummy?
You like the adobo? Yes, okay, let us try. Oh, she's...
Wow.
Are you doing double thumbs up already?
She just spoiled it.
Let's see if Lila's right. Her little taste buds. Biscuit's like lining up behind us.
Biscuit's excited too. Everybody's excited.
Biscuit can smell it, guys.
Cheers.
Let's go. Oh, wow. It's so tender. That's like good comfort food. This reminds me of like good home cooking. The flavor, it's like a little bit sweet, but then you've got like a little bit of that vinegar, but it's not like overpowering. The pork is just so tender. It's so succulent.
Wow.
If you eat that fatty bit, oh, I'm gonna do it.
It's so good, guys.
Oh, you're gonna use your hands.
I feel like there's like layers of flavor to this. It's like sweet, salty, like savory.
It's so good. Like you just want to eat this like all the time.
Yes.
Shall we rate it, Layla? I think you were right. I think you were onto something. The adobo recipe is definitely a double thumbs up. Okay, this one is for all you garlic lovers out there.
If you're obsessed with garlic and don't care about garlic breath, then this is for you. Let's make garlic fried rice. This is sinangag, also known as Filipino garlic fried rice, and you'll need around 1 head of garlic for this recipe, maybe more. Start by frying your garlic until golden and crispy, then set aside. Add some day-old rice to that garlic-infused oil, season with salt and pepper, and add back in the crispy garlic bits. Stir fry for another 1 to 2 minutes, and that's pretty much it. Pair this with all your favorite meals, it's delicious.
How easy does that garlic fried rice look? You just need my favorite thing, garlic. To save me some time, a food processor to chop it up for me. Blending. Don't want to blend it too much though. Ta-da! Who needs an air freshener when you've got freshly blitzed garlic? No vampires are coming here.
No, Cullens.
Oh, actually, I would love Edward Cullen to come.
Are you Team Edward? You're just Team Hot Guys.
I
Hot
don't
men.
discriminate against
You don't
hot guys.
discriminate.
I don't think I'm gonna need all of this garlic, so I'm just gonna pop it in a container and then I just leave it in the fridge. It's so much easier when I cook. I just like scoop it out and then I've got fresh garlic. Oh, I've also seen people freeze it into kind of like little cubes, so you could do that too. Leave no garlic behind. Time to fry this garlic up. Do you reckon that's enough? Just a bit more. Don't hold back on the garlic. Do what your garlic heart desires. If you look inside me, I don't have a heart, I have a garlic. It's like a bowl of garlic. Oh,
I'm gonna get it like crispy.
you're gonna get it crispy, like a chip. Actually smells so good, guys. I would invite you over just to smell this. Oh, and you can taste some, of course. My stomach's rumbling. Add in our day-old rice.
Wow.
She old. Mish, mish, mish.
Just a quick reminder to smile and be happy.
Especially if you're eating this. Ah, yeah. Now I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. Add in our garlic crisps. Oh, dude, so good.
Beautiful.
Garlic fried rice. I wish you guys could smell this right now. Like just waft that in.
I can smell it from
Like out.
the other
Wow.
Right?
Wow, that hits. That hits.
Well, we're just gonna try the rice on its own, but you know, a lot of people would eat this with something, right? Oh,
room. What?
That is garlicky.
you're definitely gonna have garlic breath after this. Maybe some heartburn, I don't know. So yum, you get that crunch. Oh, Lila's. One more. Lila's so good at eating now. We just gotta cook Filipino food for her every day.
Garlic, garlic,
Okay.
garlic, garlic, garlic. Garlic, 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 garlic.
We should have a garlic song.
Garlic.
This is how I wanna eat rice from now on.
Like no plain rice.
I can't do
rice.
plain rice ever again after eating this.
You should fry garlic.
I should
and just
just-
leave it as a garnish next
Yeah,
time for
I-
anything.
Wait, is this fresh fried garlic?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's not the like store-bought one. I didn't actually realize it was so easy to make. I think we should just make our own. Do we even need to rate this? I feel like you guys know what we would rate this. This is getting a 2 garlic up. This steak dish looks so good.
I'll be sharing some of my favorite Filipino recipes that I grew up eating, starting with beefsteak Tagalog. Start by thinly slicing beef and marinating it with garlic, soy sauce, calamansi juice, a little sugar, and black pepper. Marinate that for an hour to overnight and slice some red onions into thick rounds. Saute the onions until it's caramelized but still has some crunch, then remove them and add the beef to the pan. Saute it for a couple minutes on each side, then remove the beef and add the marinade. Reduce the sauce to your liking and add back the beef and onions. Cook that for a few more minutes, then serve with some rice, and that's it. Enjoy.
We were very prepared for this because you know meat tastes better when you marinate it overnight. So last night we got working. We're getting started on this marinade a night earlier, hence why we are no makeup queens with our PJs on.
Yeah.
Our true form today. So I've already got my sliced up beef. I'm using a smaller portion, so I've just worked out how much marinade to use. In goes my garlic, soy sauce. Then I'm gonna add in some calamansi juice, a little bit of sugar, and some black pepper. Massage that in. Actually, it smells really good. Then I'm gonna let that marinate overnight, but you can just do an hour if you shorten time. In goes our sliced up red onions. Cook it, but keep some crunch. Take the onions out and then we're gonna cook the beef. So you wanna take the beef out, but keep the juices because we're gonna cook that later. Oh! I think it may have too much juice right now. Please still tastes good. Like I think he like really made sure there was no juice. Yeah, his one looked more dry. I just poured the juice out. Better. Okay, don't be a rookie like me.
Better.
Or I think just cook it in smaller batches. Marinade and sauce goes back in.
Reduce it to your liking.
I don't know how I like it. Our sauce is reduced. Now we're gonna add everything back in. Give that a mix. We're good to taste. Get a bit of that onion, a bit of garlic, and obviously the steak. Okay. Cheers. Oh, okay. That calamansi is adding a bit of zing to it. It's a little bit more refreshing, right? It's got a nice thing. Oh,
This is not a flavor I was expecting, right?
it's full of flavor, I'll tell you that, guys. And the red onion, because we didn't like fully saute it until it softened, you get a little bit of crunch. It's really nice. And of course, if you eat it with garlic chunks, even better. Should we try it with our garlic fried rice?
Oh my god.
That just elevated this meal. What I will say is a little tip, I think make extra marinade so you can have a lot more sauce to like pour over your rice and stuff, because it's actually so tasty. I never actually cooked with that calamansi. I gotta start doing that with my meats. Are we just being very generous today, or is this another double thumbs up? Like, come on.
Sorry, I'm throwing
Like,
you.
we're just throwing these double thumbs out because that beefsteak is like top notch, top notch. Now, I hope you have room for dessert.
You guys need to try this refreshing mango flow cake that's perfect for the hot summer season. Start by grabbing your favorite mangoes and separating the cheeks from the pit. We're going to dice up some of the mangoes and the other ones cut into thin strips. Then into a bowl, whip up some heavy cream just until stiff peaks form before gently folding in some sweetened condensed milk. To assemble, start off with a layer of graham crackers followed by our sweet cream and diced mangoes. This is a mango float after all, so do not be shy with the mangoes. Repeat the layers until your desired height is reached, then finish it off by layering some sliced mangoes on top and chilling this overnight. You'll know they're done when the graham crackers are soft.
It's the day before and we are prepping everything for these recipes. Say hi, Biscuit. Hi. She got a haircut recently, so I just wanted to show that off. She's looking young again. No one would know that you're an old granny now. She's 11. I've got my ripe mangoes. I'm going to peel them, chop them, slice them for this mango float cake. We're gonna be like, why isn't she just using a peeler? Good question.
Good question, but no answer.
There is no answer to that. If you use a peeler, it takes too much of the flesh sometimes. If you want like a controlled peel, do it with a knife. Try not to cut yourself. 10 hours later.
Still on the same mango.
It just cuts it into like thin strips. Oh my god, I really want to eat mango sticky rice now.
Just from looking at it.
Just from looking at this.
So nicely sliced.
Ooh. Proud of this cheek. I'm proud of you. Whilst I'm cutting the mango, Zen's going to work on the whipping cream and mix it with the condensed milk. Pump it louder. Pump it louder.
Ooh.
This is us whilst everyone's asleep. It's like midnight. We're like... It's like late night workout.
What am I doing in the middle of the night?
Stiff peaks form. Stiff peaks. It's not even soft peaks.
Do you feel it thickening?
No.
Guess we have to change pajamas after this.
Do I have a freaking blender? Whatever it's called, a hand mix? I don't have a hand mix.
No, you do.
Oh!
You do.
I do. Do first. Why are we like slumming it? No brain cells. I don't know if it's possible to over whipping cream, but it went fluffy, and then when we stopped, yeah, it didn't fluff up anymore. Anyways, let's add our condensed milk in. Oh, it's gone all watery. Something's not right, guys.
No, did we mess this up?
I think we messed it up. We need to troubleshoot.
Over whip. Don't over whip it. Oh, we definitely over whipped it. Over whipped cream will first turn grainy and then to butter.
Okay, we made butter. Now what? We accidentally churned butter, guys. It's actually quite a nice piece of butter, I might say so myself.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
good butter. We made really good butter. We did a second attempt. This time it's looking more whipped-like. We went from not being able to whip it to over whipping it real quick. Okay, let's do our condensed milk again. Look, this is art. We're gonna assemble our float now. Light layer of our whipped condensed milk cream. Then put in your crackers or graham cakes.
Wow, okay.
Okay.
Next layer
And then
of cream again, whipped cream again.
It's like making a lasagna. And then we're doing another layer of mango. I am no cake decorator. We're gonna create a nice border of smashed up crackers. Now this is gonna go in the fridge overnight.
Get that for dessert.
Ooh, okay, get it
I'm
out.
excited for dessert. Wow.
I am not great at making desserts, but I hope I'm great at making this. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do a quarter. I mean, it's soft. Oh, get it out. Get it out. Oh my God, hold it. Oh, I want to get a bigger bite just so I get a more accurate reading.
Mango. Cheers. I love it.
I don't know if I like it or love it.
I have love heart eyes right now.
I love it.
I love mango sticky rice, but I think this is better.
It is not that sweet. Best compliment an Asian can give. It's not that sweet. I love this. That soft biscuit part.
First of all, it was pretty easy to make. Just don't churn butter like we did. I don't know if this is possible, but is it possible to give like 3 thumbs up?
I'm gonna 4. 2 on my finger, 2 on my toes. We need to
I
like
want to see that.
No, I don't want to show my toes.
I feel like this needs 6 thumbs up. Guys, we like smashed it. I need to lick this plate. If we could rate this like all double thumbs and toes up, like that's what it gets. It is so good, and difficulty level is like rookie, like beginner. I feel like we need to try more Filipino recipes, guys. Like this episode did not disappoint. That's it to this episode, but if you guys want to see part 2, do let us know. We've got plenty more recipes that you guys can watch, so click the playlist on screen. Don't forget to thumb this video and subscribe. Don't forget to thumb this video.
You're the best stomach. You're the best stomach.